Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a fast, delicious and super easy dinner. This is a simple to make dinner and I know you are going to like it. Without wasting much of your time, let's go straight into today's business. So this is the meat we are going to use and it is neatly washed. The next thing is to cut it into smaller sizes. Finally, I'm done cutting the meat. In an empty pot, add some vegetable oil. Add in your chopped meat. Add any seasoning of your choice. Add in your salt. Add some thyme. You don't need to add water, allow it to cook in its own juice. All you need to do is to keep stirring it and make sure you cook it on a medium heat. Just imagine the juice coming out from the meat even without adding any water. After stirring the meat for about 3 to 4 minutes, you just allow it to cook, cover it and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes and see more juice is coming out. So this is the reason why I say you don't need to add water to it. It will definitely cook on a medium heat without adding any water to it. Now the water has dried up, remaining only oil beneath. Check to see that the meat is done and soft. And if it's not well done, you can still add more water to allow it to cook to the texture you want. At this point, I'll be adding my grated garlic and then stir to mix together. And I'm going in with some chopped onion and then give it a quick stir. Now I'm going in with some blended Scotch bonnet pepper. The most important thing in making this particular sauce is you have to continue stirring as you add your ingredients. And the reason is because there is not much water in the pot, and if you don't stir it continuously, you end up having a burnt meat. Now I added my spring onion and stir. Please remember to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my video whenever I post. Don't also forget to like and share with family and friends. So now I want to quickly check on my sweet potatoes. Yes, the sweet potato is ready and I'm going to take it off the heat. You can also enjoy this particular sauce with your fried yam, Irish potato, rice and whatsoever you choose to enjoy it with. This dinner is very delicious and very easy to make. I really hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and share with family and friends. Back to our sauce, I added more onion because I like the crunchiness of onion. Though this is optional, you may skip it. Mix well and turn off the heat. So guys, our dinner is ready to be served. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. And I hope you are going to give this a try. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, share this video with friends. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.